Welcome back to tutorial 11. This is part 3. So far we have declared our interface. We have the definition of our class database, which is going to become our object, and our class database implements the interface data, which means our class database has signed a contract with the interface data, which means it has to implement the 6 methods of the interface data. And so far in our class definition, we've only really defined the constructor, and we've created an instance of our object down here. Connect DB is a new instance of the database class. So now what we need to do is we could define the connection. So what we can do here is in connection, I'm not sure that we need to I'm not actually sure that we need to pass these 3 parameters because they've already been set in the constructor. So I think that yeah, I think here I've been a bit adding too much information. Yeah, these 3 values are already set in the constructor, so there's no point of repeating ourselves, because the whole point of object oriented programming is to not repeat yourself. So let's get to work on this connection. So we shall say that we'll use the MySQL connect function. So we'll create a variable called connect. We'll say this connect, and I'll put it up here. Private connect, and I shall say that this connect equals MySQL, just really quick, MySQL, and we'll say that the host is this host, and we'll say that the user is this user, and we'll say that the password is this password. Really simple, really easy. And we shall say that it either does that. Oh, sorry, I don't need that. I don't know why I added those braces. We'll say it either connects or it dies. We'll put or dies or die on the next line. And we will say in here that if it does die, if it fails to connect for any given reason, then print out to the screen failed to connect to the host, and the host is of course this host. And we'll also go on to print out after a space MySQL error, which will give it the reference of that particular error, so it makes it easier to decipher what's went wrong. So we've made an attempt to connect to the database here, but we also need to basically say what to do if the connection's been successful. So for that instance, we can say that if this connect echo out connection to the host, this host was successful, and then we'll append that. With a line break. And now let's save that and just quickly check the time. Got a bit of time left. So we could try and run that connection function. So the way we would do that is we would say that we'd use our object connectDB and we would refer to the public function connect. So let's see if that runs now. Connection to the local host was successful, so it connects. So that's great news. So we've managed to do that. So the next function that we need to define is selecting our database. So we could quickly start defining that. So it passes in the value database. So we'll say that we'll define database up here first of all. Actually, we'll say that private database, and then in here in the select database we'll say first of all that this we'll say that this database is equal to the database that's passed to the database function. Database method is a parameter. And we'll say that we'll create one that says this. We'll say, yep, this select DB is what we'll use. We'll say that select DB equals MySQL select DB, and we'll pass into it this database, and we'll put up here, we'll declare that up there, private select DB. That's the one. We'll save that quickly and just check the time. Yeah, we'll probably end that video there and continue in part 4. Okay.